Growing herbs is a fantastic way of adding flavors and freshness to your meal. Hi, this is Ruchi, and let's talk about some of the easiest herbs to grow at your home, whether you have a big garden, a small balcony, or just a sunny windowsill. Let's dive in. So, first of all, why do you care about growing herbs in your garden? So the first thing is that, why do we add herbs to our meals? To add flavor. And flavor is best when you put the freshest herbs. So nothing beats adding the herbs that you just picked from your garden. Second, it is so convenient, whenever you need something, just go to the garden, pick up the herbs, and use them. Third, it is cost effective. For the cost of one bunch of basil, you can grow the basil at home for the whole year, for the whole season. And the fourth is sustainability. Growing your own herb saves on packaging and carbon footprint, etc. So now let me share the easiest herbs to grow at home. You should grow only the herbs that you really use. There is no point in growing mint if you never use it in your cooking, right? But let me share, the two easiest herbs that I really like are basil and mint. So what you can do is that, you can buy a bunch of basil from the market or mint, use the leaves and the stems, you put them in water, and in a few days, they will start to grow roots. Yeah, it's that simple. And once it starts to grow roots, you can plant it in the planter. So basil is really easy to grow. It requires a lot of sun. So you have to find a sunny spot, whether you're growing it indoors or outdoors. And it's a spring and summer herb. You can't grow it in winters. Mint is perennial, so once you plant it, it's there for the whole year. It may die back in winters, but as soon as the spring arrives, it will sprout back again. And it spreads like crazy, so you may want to always plant it in container, never in the ground, because it may take over your whole garden. The two other herbs that I really like are parsley and cilantro. They are cool weather herbs, meaning you plant them in fall and they will provide you the leaves throughout the winter and spring. Parsley is biennial, that means it will die back after 2 years, and cilantro is annual, so it will die after the summer arrives. And you can always save seeds from these and use them in the next season. There are quite a few other herbs that I use, like rosemary, curry plant, oregano, and they are all perennial and they grow like a bush. So if you have space outside in your garden, you can plant them there. Curry plant, it requires a lot of sun and it doesn't like frost, so you have to protect it. You have to take it inside if the winters are harsh. Oregano and rosemary, they survive outside even in winters. And I have videos for most of the herbs that I have mentioned here. I have put the links in the description. You can check them out. So how to grow these herbs? First of all, choose a sunny spot because all of them like a lot of sun. Second, start with really good rich soil so that you don't have to fertilize much. And the soil should be well draining. Third, water it sparingly because if you put too much of water, they may develop pests. And you have to harvest them quite often because the more you harvest, the bushier the plants will get and you will get more leaves. Now, some of the precautions you have to take while growing these herbs is number one, definitely you have to find a spot which gets a lot of sun. Otherwise, they will not grow that much. Second, the plant should not be overcrowded, meaning if you have planted them in a small planter, make sure there is enough circulation around the plants. Otherwise, they will develop pests. And most of these herbs, you are not going to cook with them. You probably use them in garnishing, and you don't want to use the leaves with pests. So make sure that there is enough air circulation and the plants get enough sunlight so they don't develop pests. The third very important thing is that don't overwater. Most of the times people kill their herbs because they overwater. Water it only when the top surface is completely dry. So that's about it. It's really easy to grow herbs, and it is a fantastic way of adding freshness and flavors to your meals. So which herbs are you thinking of growing in your garden? Let me know in the comment. And I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.